Hey, this is Sean with YourEmailMarketing.com. This is a quick video to go over if you're just getting started online and looking for an autoresponder. AWeber offers a solution, a free account to start out with. You get up to 500 email subscribers, one landing page, one email automation service that you can use. And then if you grow your business and need to upgrade to the pro version, they offer that solution for you. To learn a little more about the AWeber training that I have available, you can visit the link down below to get started. But if you're just starting off and looking for autoresponder service, just starting off with the free service AWeber offers could be a good solution for you. Again, check out the links below and we'll see you. Have a good day.